Hi friends, welcome to Malar Karthick channel. Today we are going to see how to make paleo cauliflower rice. This is low carb, paleo and keto diet. Cauliflower rice can be made into so many dishes, especially making it perfect for paleo and keto eaters to avoiding grains. There are two ways to make cauliflower rice. First method is in food processor or chopper. The second method is manual. You can make cauliflower rice with a grater. It is also easy. Let's prepare the cauliflower rice. First clean the cauliflower, then remove all the greens. Cut the cauliflower into medium sized chunks. In large vessel, take 4 cups water and get to a boil. Once the water comes to boil, switch off the flame, then add 1 teaspoon rock salt. Now add the cauliflower to the hot water, rest them 3 to 5 minutes. Then drain off the water completely. First method, if you are using food processor or chopper, cut the cauliflower into medium sized chunks. Pulse it in your chopper to make the cauliflower rice. While the food processor may be easiest method, here is how to make cauliflower rice without a food processor. I am going to show you the second method is manual using grater. Cut the cauliflower into large pieces, which makes grating it a little easier. You can make cauliflower rice with a grater. In a large skillet, add some water and bring water to a boil. When water begins to bubble up rapidly, place the plate in the skillet. Spread the cotton cloth on a plate, drop the grated cauliflower and cover it with a lid. Steam it for 5 to 8 minutes on medium flame. If the flame is very high, the water may bounce to the plate. If it is too low, they may not get steamed enough. So the flame should be on a medium. After 5 minutes, switch off the stove, leave it for 1 minute. Then remove the steamer plate and transfer the cauliflower rice to another plate. Cauliflower rice keeps for approximately 4 days in a airtight container in the fridge. If we kept in the freezer, we can use cauliflower rice up to 1 month. I am going to make a lot of dishes using cauliflower rice and I will post it in the next video. Finally, paleo cauliflower rice is ready. Also, do try this paleo cauliflower rice recipe at your home. Do share this video with your friends and family. If you liked this video, hit the like button and do share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe Malar Karthick channel and also click the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.